Hello, welcome to Musical Fidelity. My name is Dave Waters and I would like to run through the overall front panel design and the control of the new Encore 225 system. If we first of all look at the front panel, it's been designed to be very symmetrical, giving us two main controls. First of all, we've got the volume control, which does what it says. It gives me volume for either the music library or internet radio or whatever I'm using through the system. I then have a selector dial, and this control, along with the enter button and the back button, enables me to fully navigate my music library and full operation of the system itself. In the middle of the front panel we have a full high definition colour display, which gives us full information about what the system is doing and the status of the system. We have 4 fixed control buttons. These allow us to do certain active features within the system. And because the system has also got a built-in CD player, we have got simple CD navigation controls as well. What I'm going to do now is just run through the simple operation to navigate the Encore 225. So for me to access my music library, I can simply use the selector dial, the enter and the back button. If we start off with the home button, that gives me my listing, the home page of the system, which enables me to look at all my source, inputs, searching and music library. If I scroll down, I can just scroll down to my desired function. So let's say my music library, that when I go into my music, press the enter button. That then gives me a search for my stored music library. And I can search via all artists, album artists, composer, album, etc. And I just use the dial, the selector dial, to scroll up or down through the menu options. Press the enter button and it goes into my library, and it's an alphabetical library, and again I can just scroll up or down through my library, find a desired artist, press enter. That will give me a choice of album or albums. Press the enter button again, I can then go in and start playing my music. If I want to move back through the menu option, I just use the back button and it moves back one page at a time. Quite simply. Easy to navigate. I can then go into other ways of searching my library via the album and press enter, and I can now search via my album. Press the enter button and then start playing that album. The home button, while I'm playing an artist album, the home button will take me back to that first home page. So once again, if I wish to change what I'm listening to, and that could be internet radio or an analog or digital input, I simply scroll down and navigate to my chosen choice. Internet radio is the same, allowing me to scroll and find different genres, whether it's news, sport or music. Press enter and I simply go into that option of now different radio genres and years, etc. Once again, if I want to move back a page, I quickly hit the back button and it takes me back to the previous page and previous menu.